Well, unang tanong po ay kaugnay sa presentation na binigay ng Vice President. Napansin ko po roon na sa budget na 903.4 million for 2025. Mukhang mababa po yung obligation rate. Ano po ang paliwanag dito?
Yes, marami kaming procurement na tumagal. Hindi siya nasimulan by January. Madam Chair, yung procurement. So maraming mga procurement na June, July, August na nasimulan.
Dahilan po ba kung bakit June, July, August na nasimulan ang mga proyekto?
Dahil kailangan marami po mga attachments na nire-require para sa procurement, at lahat po ng mga documents na yon ay hindi po siya nakukuha ng isa o dalawang araw lamang.
28 million na halaga ng confidential funds for 105 activities supposedly held by the Office of the Vice President from December 13 to December 31. Sabi ng COA ay wala raw accomplishment reports na naipakita or sinubmit. Ano na po ang status ng notice of disallowance na ito?
Madam Chair, I suggest that the Congressman ask this during the hearing of the Commission on Audit.
Ito na naman, Congressman Tino, binubuhay na naman ang confidential fund. Budget na ito for 2026.
I'm asking the question now from the Office of the Vice President.
Madam Chair, this is a status of documents inside the Office of the Commission on Audit. So it has to be the Commission on Audit who will answer what is happening to this notice of disallowance.
Nagsubmit po ba ng appeal ang Office of the Vice President sa notice of disallowance?
Kung yung Congressman Tino, kung ang notice of disallowance was rectified by COA, wala na po yun. Pero kung yung notice of disallowance ay meron na silang final adjudication, and then merong order yun, final yung notice of disallowance. So, for your information, I will check with COA and get the records and give it to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chair. Ay po sa notice of disallowance, ang sabi po kasi ng COA, December 3rd, yung mga 105 activities na inilunsad dun sa mga disilaw na activities ay nangyari between December 13 to December 31. Yet, sa mga nakaraang hearing ay napag-alaman po na December 20 pa po na ilabas ang SARO at na-withdraw yung 125 million. Kaya nga sinasabing nagastos ito in 11 days from December 20 to December 31. So, ang tanong lang po natin, ano po ang paliwanag doon sa nakapamahagi na kayo ng mga sinasabing reward money noong December 13 pa lamang, samantalang hindi pa po lumalabas ang pera?
Madam Chair, this is the subject of an impeachment trial.
Sinusubukan ni Congressman Tino ma-penetrate ang kanyang tanong. Akala niya maisa niya si BP Sara. Hindi. Tapos na yan, pinag-usapan noong 19 Congress. Pinagpistahan yan ng mga media.
And I would not like to discuss the defense for the impeachment trial.
Representative
Chair,
Tino,
wala
please
naman pong-
proceed with the next question.
Madam Chair, I would just like to note na wala pong impeachment trial sa kasalukuyan, Madam Chair. In fact, it is archived in the Senate. Okay, so next question na po. No?